In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox Game Pass World not loading in multiplayer on Palworld. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm here in an article showing how to fix the Xbox Game Pass World not loading on Palworld. So to fix this, the first thing you can do is to simply update your Palworld game. So you want to go to your Xbox dashboard, navigate to My Games and Apps. Now select Updates and check for an update for Palworld. The second thing you can do is to verify and repair the Palworld game files. So to do that, open the Xbox app on your PC, find the Palworld, select Manage, choose the Files tab, and click on Verify and Repair. So wait for it to verify and repair, and just wait until it fixes your problem. So the third thing you can do is to simply reset your console, because resetting your console can fix issues by clearing any temporary files that may be causing the game to not load correctly. So the next thing you can do is to check your network connection. So you need to confirm that your Xbox is connected to the internet. So perform a network test by going to the settings, go to network and network settings. Now test network connection. Next thing you can do is to create a new multiplayer game and reload save. So to do that, you want to launch Palworld on your Xbox, navigate to the multiplayer game mode. Now start a new multiplayer game session. Now once the new session is successfully created, exit your game. Now restart and attempt to load the previously crashing save file. And the next thing you can do is to simply reinstall Palworld. So you want to uninstall Palworld and reinstall it again. So this fix often works. So if all of this fixes still doesn't work, what you can do is to simply contact Palworld support. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.